Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Web Form, and today I'm going to show you the next video tutorial of shopping cart project. In this project, first of all, I have to design some admin menu where admin click on the links and admin will see the results of that link, like the hyperlink you can say. But that these are the links to navigate admin in entire applications via the with the CURD operations. So just add a menu control from the toolbox, and by the show smart tag you have to click edit menu items, and one by the add item in the menu list you have to add some labels like the welcome page and the company page and product page and the order page. Okay, so also set the navigation URL of the respective page. So these are the respective pages of the menu items, like the welcome page is related to the welcome.aspx page, order page is linked with the order page, and the product page is related to the product page, and similarly we set all these pages with the navigation in the navigation property. Okay, so after set the navigations of the hyperlinks, you have to see the outputs, desired output also. You know that in the admin, in the login.aspx, we have a role that is the you can say that admin role in the page. So a session hold the roles like admin role. So first of all, check in the page load in the master file, in admin master file, the page load, the session, the role is admin. If the role is admin in the session, then you can log in into the session. You can log in into the admin dashboard, where you can add, you can perform the CURD operation on all these fields: session, roles, .toString, admin, etc. Okay, so a response.redirect a login.aspx. Okay, it's too much easy. If the session.role is .toString is not equals to admin, then login.aspx will redirect to the login page if a role is not an admin. Okay, oops, getting an error, object reference not set to instant object. I mean to say that that is the default null reference error. So first of all, check the session values. Okay, so first of all, check the session values, that is the session email.toString. I think email is not equals to null. You can check without conversion to the text property into the string types. So otherwise, if email is not equals to null, I suppose your email is null, email of the session of email is null, then else redirect to the login page again. That is the default screen, will redirect, and login screen will show to the users. Okay, oops, getting an error. I think I see that toString is not used at here, so just saved it and run it again. The order page, the order page will redirect to the login page, and you have to redirect into the user. That is, it's a user, it's not an admin. So also you can check the admin role user into the database table. Okay, now just check in the database table. Actually, it's not in SQL Server Object Explorer. you can open in Server Explorer and see the data of the sign up table where admin exists in the role, and email ID is xyz@gmail.com, as well as your password is similar xyz1234. So just add in user xyz@gmail.com and xyz@1234. Okay, so 1234, and you can see the admin panel, you can see admin dashboard, where you can see all these table and also perform the CUD operations also. So when we click on the order page, you can see that all user page will display. So first of all, change your navigation property in the menu items, because order page, you can see that product page is looking correct, but the order page is open your user page. Okay, there is the product ID is also available. So the change the navigation property and add one more property, one more links in the page, that is all user, and where you will see the all user, and order will redirect to the order page. Okay, just run again, and the email is xyz@gmail.com, xyz1234. All users will display, and the company page is also display, order page is also display. Okay, so it is correct. And the one more thing is grid view selected index change. So expand this grid view and add some command field, add a template field, and in the template field you have to add two link button in the item template. The first link button will get the product ID, and the second link button get the user ID, you can say. So admin can detect which user is purchase some things, like generate a order, you can say. So link button run at equals to server, command name is equals to get product, and the text is get product. Okay, on the link button first, and in the template field the header text is get product ID, you can say. So get product only. So the same template field just copy and paste in the second time, and in the get product you have to get user. Okay, so the second link button, the first link button ID have a related to the product, so product I, that is the product ID, you can say. And the second link button have a second ID that is related with the user, so user I. And change the user text link button, that is get user. There is. Now after that you have to fire, first of all, just row command event, and selected index change is also fired, so just remove that, and also remove that selected index change, that is fired. And just add on click event on both link button. You can say that on row command is fired, just you have to reset it. Yeah, it's clear. Now after that you have to fire on click event on both link buttons. So user I1 dot clicks and user on click equals to product I link, user I link and the product I link. So grid view row user row where you can get the user ID from the grid view. So grid view row and sender link button. Oops, I think it is a mistake. A link button first, and that is the sender. So just a mistake. So yeah, it is a mistake. So just replace link button, and after that you have to add a sender. Yeah, dot naming container. By using this, you have to get the selected grid view row. So product ID is user row, so that is the user row. So user ID and user row dot cells of 7 dot text. 7 number is the index number, or you can say the column number. So just check it, the user ID and as well as the product ID cell number. So and the cell number start from the your in the grid view is from the 0. So product ID is on the 7 number and the user ID is on the 4 number. So just change it. Okay, so product row and product ID. So that's in simple thing you have to done it. Just debug your product. Yes, user ID is not there. Oops, because the user button is not clicked. So just debug at this point. So just play it and get product. Yeah, just forward it. Yeah, user ID is there and also the product ID is there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to your project, and the last video will remaining to the related product to the related project. So I think it's the second last video. If I will check in the next video tutorial, if the all things and all videos are prepared, then I will next video will do later. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please get user from user ID and get product from product ID is remaining also. So this also will cover in the next video tutorial, and check these all these all whole project in the last video tutorial. So wait for the last and I think second last video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.